Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring three fantastic motorcycles from different eras and styles. The 2019 Suzuki GSXR600, the 2006 Harley Road King FLHRI, and the 2001 Honda CBR929. Whether you're into sport bikes or cruisers, these bikes have something exciting to offer, so let's dive in. First up, we have the 2019 Suzuki GSXR600. This sport bike is a perfect blend of performance and agility, making it a favorite among sport bike enthusiasts. Under the fairings, the GSXR houses a 599cc inline-4 engine, delivering a punchy 124 horsepower. It features a lightweight frame and Showa big piston forks, ensuring precise handling and stability on both track and street. The bike's aerodynamic design, combined with advanced electronics like Suzuki's Drive Mode Selector, or SDMS, and a quick shifter, provides a thrilling and responsive riding experience whether you're carving through corners or hitting the straights. The GSXR delivers top-notch performance. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. Next up, we have the 2006 Harley Road King FLHRI. This iconic cruiser is built for the long haul, offering comfort, style, and that unmistakable Harley-Davidson presence. The Road King is powered by a 1450cc twin-cam 88 engine, providing plenty of low-end torque for smooth and powerful cruising. Its classic design includes a large detachable windshield, spacious saddlebags, and a comfortable 2-up seat. The Road King's air-adjustable rear suspension ensures a plush ride, whether you're touring solo or with a passenger. With its timeless styling and reliable performance, the Road King FLHRI is perfect for those who love to hit the open road and enjoy the journey. Last but not least, we have the 2001 Honda CBR929, a true game changer in the superbike category. The CBR929, also known as the Fireblade, is renowned for its balance of power, handling, and cutting-edge technology. At its heart is a 929cc inline-4 engine producing around 150 horsepower. The bike features Honda's innovative Unit ProLink rear suspension and aluminum twin-spar frame, providing exceptional handling and stability. The CBR929 was one of the first bikes to incorporate electronic fuel injection, ensuring precise throttle response and efficiency. Its aggressive styling and advanced aerodynamics make it a standout both on the street and track. So there you have it, three incredible motorcycles, each with its own unique characteristics and strengths. Whether you're drawn to the sporty agility of the 2019 Suzuki GSXR600, the classic cruising comfort of the 2006 Harley Road King FLHRI, or the high-performance thrills of the 2001 Honda CBR929, there's something for every rider. Let us know which one you would pick by commenting below.